Dear student, most welcome in online class of class 10th student in subject information technology. Students, now we want to start session 2. Clear? The session 2 is here, networking fundamentals. Students, in this session we will learn about the basics of the computer network. Clear? Students, the computer network is collection of computers and other hardware components interconnected in communication channels and allow sharing of resources, sharing of informations also. Clear? A computer network is a collection of interconnected computers and computing devices through the communication media such as channels, and they are able to transmit, they are able to share the informations, share the resources as well as the softwares and the hardwares. Dear students, in this session we want to introduce the basic fundamental concept of the networking and the internet. Clear? And how we can use the safe internet. Students, see this is the basic layout of the computer network. If you have a computer and you have another computer and you connect them with communication media, clear? Computer 1 and computer 2. This is the communication media, or you can say the communication channel. Clear? This is the communication media, such as the telephone wires, such as cables, wireless technologies, students, this figure denoted the basic layout, simple layout of the computer network. As you see here, in this network, there are two computers are connected through the communication media, or you can say the communication channel. The communication media may be cable, telephone wires, wireless technologies such as Bluetooth. We use different types of rays, satellites, radio waves for connecting the computers to each other. Please students, we can also connect some other hardware devices such as printers, storage devices in the computer network. Clear? Students, the question is here, how many types of computer architecture? Clear? Computer network architecture. Computer network architecture. Students, there are two types of computer network architecture. One is the P2P, peer-to-peer. The first architecture is known as the peer-to-peer. This is also known as the P2P architecture. Another is the client server architecture. Client server model, peer-to-peer model, peer-to-peer architecture, or the client server model. Two types of computer network model. One is the peer-to-peer and another is the client server model. Students, in the peer-to-peer model, in the peer-to-peer network, all the computers have equal status. Clear? All the computers which are connected in the peer-to-peer model have equal status. Clear? Generally, we can say in the such network, each terminal, each computer has equally competent to CPU. Means each computer have equal chance to use the central processing unit. So this type of computer network architecture is known as the peer-to-peer. And there is the client server model. In this network, the certain computer have a special dedicated task. Means the certain computers of the network perform some special task, some dedicated task, and mostly they provide services to other computers. Clear? So this type of computer is known as the server of the network, and other computers, other nodes, other system which uses the services, they are known as the nodes or client. Clear? They are known as the clients. Means the computers of the network which provide the services is known as the server, and which computer use the service, they are known as the client. So this model is known as the client server model. Clear? In the client server model, some computers are dedicated computers. They perform a special type of task, a special type of function, such as providing the service to other computers which are connected in the computer network. And other computers, they use the services. So that computers are known as the client. Clear? So this model is known as the client server model. Student, as you see here, there are two types of model. There are two types of computer model. One is the peer-to-peer model, and there is the client server model. In the peer-to-peer model, each computer has equal status. There is no priority. Clear? Each computer means all computers are equal, and they are able to use the central processing unit equally. But in the client server model, some computers are dedicated computers. They perform some special type of function, a special type of task. Generally, they provide the services to all the computers, all the other devices which are connected to the computer. So the computer which provide the service is known as the server, and the computers which use the services, they are known as the client. Students, now we want to discuss about the type of networks. Types of networks. Students, the first is the local area network. That is known as the LAN. And the second is the wide area network. Wide area network. And that is the WAN. Students, there are two major types of network. There are two major types of network. The one is the local area network and the second is the wide area network. But nowadays there are some other types of network such as the MAN, Metropolitan Area Network, PAN, Personal Area Network. But in your syllabus, there are only two types of computer network. One is the local area network and the is the wide area network. Clear? Dear students, a local area network is one which connects computer and computing devices in a limited geographical area, such as a room in school premises or computer laboratory or in offices. Clear? The department of an organizations which are closely grouped in a building. It means the local area network covers very less geographical area, and mostly this type of network is used in the schools, computer labs, other laboratories, offices, libraries. Clear? Students, the local area network provides very high speed internet connectivity. Clear? The local area provides very high speeds and are used for connecting the computers, peripherals such as printers, scanners and some other storage devices. Clear? This is the advantage, the most prominent advantage of this type of network is it provides high speed internet facility, high speeds. Clear? Because the packets travel, the information travels short distance. Dear students, another is the wide area network. In the wide area network, the wide area network covered a broad area like a state. Means this type of network cover across the country, across the continent, and you can say across the world. Dear students, the internet is the most popular example of the wide area network, and the wide area network mostly used in the businesses, mostly used by the governments, non-profit organizations, individuals. Clear? So, as you see here, the local area network cover the very less amount of area, while the wide area network cover broad area such as the continent, such as a country, or you can say the across the world. In the wide area network, we can find the less speed in the comparison of the local area network. Students, now we want to conclude this video and we want to discuss about the internet, World Wide Web and some other terminologies of the internet's. Thanks.